Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Christy, and if you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and to my returning subscribers, you're also welcome. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook and season your goat meat or any meat of your choice. I'll be using the following ingredients. I've got Maggie, thyme, squash bonnet, garlic and ginger, curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, onions, salt, and spring onions. And that's the goat meat which I'll be cooking today. The first step will be to wash the meat and drain out any excess water. And then I'll be blending the scotch bonnet, onions, garlic and ginger. By following this step, which I'm showing you on this video, it helps your goat meat or meat stock to be very rich. The next, I'll just add a little bit of water to what I'm going to blend, and that's the water which I will use to cook the goat meat at first. After blending very smooth, the next step will be to add your blended ingredient into the meat. In order to achieve very rich and tasty stock, it's better to blend the ingredient just like I did. The next step, I'll be adding the salt. The quantity of salt and Maggi will depend on the quantity of meat you have. Maggi cube, all-purpose seasoning. I will also be adding spring onions. I always like to cook my meat with spring onions. It just gives it that nice flavor. I'll be adding curry powder and thyme. If you have any other spice that you have that you like to add to your meat, you can do that. But this is all the ingredients I use to cook meat, and it gives it that nice texture, especially when you want to make fried rice or you want to use the stock to do jollof rice or to make any soup. We Africans from Nigeria, we like our stock very rich because we always use it to cook. I'm just going to ensure I mix this meat properly with the ingredients. Sometimes I usually marinate the beef after mixing the ingredient. I'll marinate it for at least 1 hour or 2 hours, depending on how soon I need the meat. But if I need the meat quickly, then I just cook after mixing it. After like 20 minutes, I turn on the gas cooker to a very low heat. As you can see, I've not added any water. The only water I used was the one I used to blend the onions and all the garlic and everything. While this is cooking on a very low heat, after like about 30 minutes, I just come back to quickly check and to stir the meat. While this is cooking, I will increase the gas cooker to a medium heat. If you notice on this video, I just added more water. And this is the water which I will use to cook the meat until it's soft enough. But if you like your meat a bit hard, you can add more water. I like the meat when it's very soft. And at this point, I added more salt. But this would depend on how tasty you want your meat to be. I'm just going to stir the meat while it's cooking. Then I'll put the lid on the pot and leave this to cook more. This is a very rich stock to cook fried rice if you're a lover of fried rice like me. After that, I'll be cooking the meat for another 30 minutes. But this will depend on how you like your meat soft or hard. And the meat is ready and soft to my taste. Thank you for watching this video today, and I'm really grateful. Please don't forget to support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on my next video.